Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change icon on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing an icon in Squarespace can be done in a few ways depending on how the icon is being used on your site. Okay, so if you are using the built-in icons via the image block or button block, Squarespace includes some built-in icons, especially within the buttons or certain design blocks. However, if you want to replace an existing icon with a custom one, all you have to do is log into your account. Once you're logged into your dashboard account, click the upper right corner where you can see your profile icon. And from there, click the account dashboard and select the website that you wanted to replace the icon with. For example, this one. I'm going to click on it. Now, I'm going to the page or section where the icon is used. Okay, so you need to click the edit first for you to be able to modify or tweak some of the settings here. Now, I simply wanted to replace this icon. Okay, for you to be able to do that, you see, if you click on the image, there's going to be a pencil icon to the edit block. All right, now all you have to do is click on it and you have two options. You can edit. If you see the edit option here, you can put in the brightness, darkness, contrast, and you can be creative, all right? If you wanted to edit that. Grayscale, sharpness, blur, so see that? So these are going to be your options. If you want, let's click on cancel. Instead of editing the image, I'm going to click on the pencil icon again. I'm going to replace instead. All right, and you have multiple options. You can upload the file, select from library or browse stock images, or upload from your mobile. All right, I'm going to click on the upload file. Now, once you have uploaded your new icon, make sure the image is in a supported format such as PNG, SVG, or JPEG. Please take note that if you're using an SVG image, it helps maintain quality and scalability. All right, now once you have done that, all you have to do is click on save, and that's one way for you to change your browser icon. Okay, now similarly, if you wanted to change the favicon of your Squarespace account, now the favicon is the logo on the browser. You see this one. If you wanted to remove this entirely, all you have to do is hover to the gear icon here on the bottom left corner. I want you to click on it and go to the right side where you can see the favicon. You see that? You can adjust your site's favicon. And from here, remember that favicon is an icon to display in the browser tab next to your site title to help your site recognizable. You can use the default, which is going to be the Squarespace, but if you wanted to customize and be creative, you can add a favicon by clicking on the plus button here. Now, similarly, you can upload a logo of your own or select from the library wherein you have all these options. All right. Now, I'm just going to use my stock image, this one, because this is going to be the logo. I'm going to click on it. And from there, it doesn't stop. You have more options. If you accidentally uploaded a wrong image, you might want to click on delete by having this three dots icon. Or you have a dark mode optional. You can add a favicon by using this one, dark mode. Let's see that. Now, as you can see, icons should be in PNG file format, and recommended sizing is between 100 by 100 pixel and 300 by 300 pixel. All right, click on save. Let's see if that was successful. Now let's try to refresh to see what happened. And as you can see, the logo was successfully, or the browser icon was changed. All right, so we were successful on that. Now, the another option is, I want you to click X on here. We're going to the website again. Now, if you are not satisfied with the default icons or to want to add a custom icons, we are going to use a custom icons via the code block. I want you to click on edit. And from here, we're going to use a block. Click that and going to select the code. Right, now, all I have to do is click on the pencil icon to edit. And you might want to type in some sample here. You see that? Now, go to pages and select the page or section where you want to add your icon. Insert the code block where you want the icon to appear. Paste your SVG code. And from here, you can display the code that you wanted. You see that? Or if you don't want, it's okay. You see? You see this icon right here? That's one way for inserting a code where you want to icon to appear. And of course, you have the option to click on JavaScript, Markdown, and plain text. Right? Now, similarly, when you click this option right here, you have the option to align vertically, align center, and you can also click this to pin. All right. If you wanted to duplicate this one, you can do so. Now, you can be creative with this and make a double icon so you can see that. So you have two icons now already. Now, once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on save. Remember that icons play an important role in guiding users through your website. Replacing confusing or unclear icons with more intuitive ones can enhance usability. For example, swapping a generic button icon for a clear cart icon in an e-commerce store can make it easier for users to find what they need. You can also check the view from desktop to mobile view, because changing an icon size, style, or color can help establish visual hierarchy, like this one right here. I'm gonna make it a little bit, gonna drag this here so everyone can see. You see that? Now, as you can see, sometimes icon needs to be updated to ensure they look good on all devices, especially in mobile view. Changing icons to SVG format ensures there's gonna be a crisp, high-quality icons that adjust smoothly to various screen sizes, especially if you are using the standard Squarespace icons that are widely used by other sites. Customizing or changing them can help differentiate your site, giving it a unique look. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.